Good morning. Happy January 6th, 2015. I'm Johanna Odebashian, team leader of Keller Williams Realty Fresno. I want to invite you to our team meeting today. It's going to be exciting as it always is. But instead of our focus being on mindset today, we're going to shift a little bit, and our focus is going to be on our physical well-being. My personal trainer, Jared Miller, is coming to the meeting today to share with you an opportunity for you to challenge yourself and to set some really great wellness goals. I hope that you'll attend. Additionally, we'll be talking about the market and how Keller Williams agents are continuing to gain their unfair share of today's real estate market. You've really enjoyed our last activities, correct? Where we've studied zip codes and spent a lot of time learning what's really happening in the places that we live and sell. Well, come today because you won't be disappointed. I also want to announce two really cool learning opportunities. One is for newer licensed agents, and that will be this Saturday from 9 to 4. We're going to do an in-depth study on the buyer consultation and the seller consultation. Now, this is geared for just newer agents because we want you to feel comfortable to come, to ask your questions, to not feel the pressure of having more mature agents in the business around you. We hope that you'll come. Our productivity coach, Dave Kidder, as well as our educational ALC chairperson, Jose Reyna, are going to be leading that class. Again, that's this Saturday from 9 to 4. Also, I'd like you to know that on Tuesday, January 13th, we are going to have a DISC assessment training class. I know that everybody gets so excited to learn about their personality style. Are they a D? Are they an I? Are they an S? What does that mean? Well, we're bringing in DISC trainer Bill Wigley to come and go over that with you. Now, it's a 4-hour training, so what we're going to do is instead of having the team meeting that day, we're going to wrap that all in to the training time. So from 10 to 2, next Tuesday the 13th, put it on your calendar. You're not going to want to miss it. All you'll need to do is bring your DISC assessment and show up to class. I've got 4 vendor partners who have so graciously offered to sponsor it. So when you see Phil Reish of Open Mortgage, Jim Scheit of Old Republic Home Protection, Caleb Parmiter of Sierra Pacific Mortgage, and Karen Barnes of Disclosure Source, make sure you thank them because they are covering the cost of this event for you. If you don't have a DISC assessment, shoot me an email and I'll happily send you yours. Or if I don't have your DISC assessment, I'll send you a link to take it. Again, this will be free on January 13th from 10 to 2. And last, I would like to remind you to sign up for the First Step to Bold. Your business will grow by leaps and bounds when you begin to uncover the techniques that you'll learn in Bold. It does make you uncomfortable. Growth is uncomfortable. But in order to get where you want to go, you've got to push the limits. Anyhow, I look forward to seeing you today at the team meeting. Have a great day.